The Nissan X-Trail T33 from 2022 onward with the 2.5-liter PR25D petrol engine produces 135 kilowatts, 181 horsepower, and 244 newton meters, and is paired with an Xtronic CVT in either FWD or AWD. This naturally aspirated direct injection four-cylinder is an updated evolution of the QR25DE, featuring improved efficiency and refinement. It requires servicing every 12 months or 15,000 kilometers and holds about 5.1 liters of fully synthetic 0W20 oil. Generally regarded as reliable, the main long-term consideration, like many direct injection engines, is potential intake valve carbon buildup, usually only affecting high-mileage vehicles. Overall, the PR25DD offers solid, dependable performance for everyday use.